How to update Netflix on Samsung Smart TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To update your Netflix on your Samsung Smart TV, first and foremost, open up your Samsung Smart TV. Then click on the home button from your remote. After that, go ahead and browse to the apps section. Select on the option of apps. Then go to the setting of apps by clicking on the setting gear icon. There you might see the option of auto update. Press on the enter to enable it. After some time, your Netflix application in your Samsung Smart TV will be up to date. While you are updating your Netflix, make sure that your Samsung Smart TV is up to date as well so that it can support the latest update of Netflix or any other app. To check for your TV update, head over to your TV settings, click on All Setting and head over to Support. When you click on Software Update, if you find any of the option as Update Now, go ahead and click on it. To never miss out an update, make sure you always enable the auto update feature for both your apps and your TV. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.